Ladies and gentlemen of the financial markets, it is Friday, the 27th, day 7 of my Apex 50K Eval journey, 8:09 a.m. Pacific time. Just getting the computer running and OBS up and recording and logging in. And let's see where we're at. Well, this is where we left off. Good day yesterday, thanks to a wild ride again. And we're at 51,654 and 74 cents with a target of 53,000. So we are halfway there, right? 2,000, yeah. Halfway there, hard to believe. But let's get to it. Halfway there is not there. Get Ninja Trader going and get all set up. And I'm going to check my secret indicator. Kind of flat. And here we go, we got our account. Apex on Ninja Trader, 51,654 and 74 cents. Get our chart, as we usually do about this time. We are not sim trading. And get our EMA as our supportive indicator. Apply. And let's just get a lay of the land and see if indeed we are flat-ish today. Flat-ish. Flat-ish. Trades from yesterday. It's up from where we left off. But yeah, looks like we are now off the highs of the day. Let's do this. Draw our lines. I mean, it's a very easy visual right there, but we do this anyway. See our lows. Well, we kind of ticked through a few times there, trying to push, but it just did not want to go. Ran up, now we're heading down towards the lows, but will we get there? So it's always a watching and waiting game in the markets, unless you're super confident. For example, this looks like close to a lollipop. Does that mean it's a reversal? A lot of buying coming up off of there, 64.50, 60, yeah. This didn't quite look reversal-ish, right? But who knows on a different time frame. Alright, well, that's still low. I mean, is that a first entry short, second entry? Are they buying? Is this first attempt to go long? Oh, that was the second. First, second. That's an attempt to go long right there. I feel it's a little premature, but who knows. I am tempted to chase that, but I shan't. Gotta sit on the hands. There are buyers in here, but is it rolling? Is it rolling over? Is there some fatigue coming in? Is there an opportunity for a swing trade in here? If we think we really did come off the lows, highs, and then this was our best attempt at the lows, so do we get biased long again? If given the opportunity, because that would be a nice one. I wouldn't mind a 10 points on 3 contracts. Shoot, that would be looking great. a facsimile of a reasonable facsimile of what it should be. I don't have much time to trade today. I gotta run to an appointment at some point this morning, but I am hoping to get into a trade or two. Famous last words, as we know. That still would only be like a first entry long, but is it going to be a lower high on the way back down to the EMA? So I gotta wonder who got in here and how strong is it. Because if I'm going to play a swing, this is probably going to have to be my stop. Somewhere in here, 74. And I would like to not have to take too much heat on it, if possible. So let's see what this candle is going to do for us, if it helps us or not. Well, that was a tick up and a sell-off, and now it's lower. How much lower can we go? Is this the end of this whole run, and we continue our sell-off? Or are we reversing out? I don't know. That's a engulfing bar right there. Bearish engulfing. And those two green bars have the same bottom. 70, that's kind of what I was hoping that would hold, but do we try it, kids? Do we try it? Let's see if this breaches that. I guess I'm gonna go for it against. God, this is not my trade. I don't know this trade. Yeah, see, that's selling off. Does that mean a chance to get in? That was our high of the break of the channel. What happens? That was a low or a sell-off. Man, it's a tough call. I don't know how these swing traders spot their swings.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go for a swing. And see if I get burned or not. I don't like the feel of this in the least bit. You know, I'm in at 78.75. I'd have to get out 88.75, which would be 89. And now I'm taking heat at the high of that thing. Ooh, God. This is a lot of heat. It's probably a mistake here. I don't know. I'm probably going to scalp this out if I can get up there. This is hard to sit on your hands. Come on, push it up. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Boy, oh boy, this is a rough way to trade. I'm nervous as heck. I don't know how people do this. 2 points. 2 points in. Holy smokes. I had to get out. My nerves can't take that. I'm not used to that. Look at it. It's going to go. Man, oh man. You swing traders, boy. Holy cow. That was rough. I don't know how you manage. My hat's off to you. I guess that's my goal. Matt from Day Trader Next Door, if you ever watch this video, man, you got nerves of steel, kid. Oh, that was a ride. I feel like I don't need coffee. Goodness sakes, what did that even give us today? $287. I mean, that's like almost like a done day right there, kids. One trade. That's pretty nice. 288. That's fascinating. What a wild ride. It's still going. Oh, still going. Yeah, man. I mean, take it to the bank. I hope you're still in it, whoever's in it. But that was too rich for my blood, especially getting at a point like 40.80, 40.82. Gosh, that would have been 4 points something. I think I need to take a shower. I'm gonna pause it and maybe I'll get back to it later. But I got some stuff to do this morning, kids, so thanks for enjoying that ride with me. Look, our thesis was 85's 80, what was it? Just 88. It probably will get there. You know? That's way up there. Man, what a long way to go. Let's call it this leg. That's not it. And that leg. Oh god, look at that. Pretty close. Pretty close. If I just did that measure, maybe I would have had a little more faith in it. I just had to log in and boot up the old OBS here at 11:05, still the 27th. Just got back from something I had to do and got the old chart up. And look at this. I just had to log in and talk about this again. Look at this candle here. Can you see that? I don't know. Look at this candle. Okay, that was that penultimate candle. What's the high say on our box there? 40.93. Okay, that right here, high. That candle, 40.93. Okay, we go through our day here. Oh, alternatively, additionally, what do we see here? These lows. Tries to sell off. Comes back, but not quite that low. And it runs. And then look at this little fractal pattern here. We got a low, low, lower, but not quite, and off to the races. Interesting, wouldn't you say? But anyway, back to the lecture at hand. 40.93, is that significant? Look at this right here. 40.93 on that candle before it dumped off under the EMA. And then it ran up. But again, what do we see? A pattern. Check out these lows. Higher low. Dumps off. Lower, but not quite that low. That triple bottom there. Off to the races, kids. Fascinating. Fascinating stuff this that we see. Doesn't matter. Sim, Apex, doesn't matter what. This chart's the same. The 2000 tick, that's really a 3000 plus tick for whatever reason of volume. Yeah, I just had to log in and say that and I'm just gonna call that one win good enough. You know, we're almost up to 52,000, 2/3 the way there, and it's Friday, so the end of the trading week, and I'm happy with what we have here. So let's shut her down. And just again to reiterate, people have questions, I'm sure. Let's get into rhythmic. 51 942 80, 49 448 77, 51 948 77. We are almost to max of our profit. So we got out pretty close to our highest balance. And of course our cash on hand will go up today, almost $300. P&L 288, 1194 in commission. That's the kind of stuff we like to see. Let's get her shut down, and I'll be working on the next editing this video and getting that put up there. Random Dave out.